Hi, I'm Stacy with Gwinnett County Public Library, and today we're going to make pumpkin succulent planters. Here's an orange one, a white one, and we're going to do a big pumpkin today. So for this project today, you'll only need to have some sheet moss. It comes in a bag like this. You'll need to cover the table that you're using. You'll need scissors to clip the succulents off the plants like this. You'll need glue stick and a glue gun. I'm using a mini glue gun. You'll need spray adhesive, and you'll need a pumpkin. So you want to make sure you have a clean, dry pumpkin. We're going to start with adhesive spray, and we're going to spray it on the sheet moss. We're going to begin to just put it onto the pumpkin, pressing down. You want to just press down with your hands. Like that. Next, we're going to do the fun part, which is put the succulents onto the pumpkin. For this, I'm just going to start with a center piece of a succulent, and you're going to just take the glue and you'll put it all around the base of the succulent, and then you're going to apply it into the moss, and it'll take a little bit of time to dry as you're doing this, and that's fine. You're going to give it time to dry as we're adding more succulents to it. So we're just going to go around and add more succulents like this. Want to be gentle with it, not to break the leaves. You can add longer sizes as well. I'm going to add a longer piece here. And you'll probably need to reload your glue stick. That's fine. So I've added more of the succulents, and the colors, you want to vary the colors, you know, the reds and the silver ones. These are mostly green because that's what I could find, and you can get these at Lowe's and Home Depot and Walmart. It's ready to give as a gift or to just put in your house for decoration for fall or Thanksgiving. So now that we've finished our larger pumpkin, you can see how cute they are. Here's a smaller white one and orange one on a platter. You could surround these with candles to decorate for Thanksgiving. And you can keep these moist by misting them very lightly each day, just a gentle mist. And eventually the succulent roots will grow through the moss into the pumpkin. And when you feel the pumpkin getting soft, that's when you can take a knife and just cut a circle around the pumpkin and remove the top, and you can plant the succulents right into a pot with soil or into the ground. And then you would have a lovely succulent in a pot. So if you take care of these, you can keep these as plants. Thank you for joining me. Check out these great books at Gwinnett County Public Library for more ideas on pumpkins and succulents. Country Living Pumpkin Chic. Succulents by Cassidy Tuttle. Succulents by Robin Stockwell.